Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creates the Heart, and I am back with day 2 of my Create and Connect, I think it's called. I keep forgetting the name of it. A big event that I went to. This day was, I think, a better day in a lot of ways than Friday in terms of me really liking the product that we got. And it's not, of course, not about the product. It's about learning new things and trying new things. But let me show you the kit. So we got this triple slim layering stencil, which was released this weekend that we did the class. So it's a fall leaves one, and we got the leaves die, which I cannot find the paperwork for that or the little thingy that goes in, but it's okay. And so this layering stencil is a triple slim, so you do all the layers and you're able to make 3 mini slim cards. And so these are the little veins that go into your leaves, and that's included in the stencil. But also as part of our kit, we got the leaves, so we can cut leaves out, and I believe that these probably, I would assume, cut the leaves that you cut as well. So I'll use stencil as well. And we also got the Happy Harvest stamp sets. We got the whole kit and caboodle for this triple slim. So that was amazing. This is something that I would have totally bought on my own. So that to me was amazing. I'll just put that all together so I don't lose that. So I was excited about that. Let me show you the cards that I made. I have the envelopes. I kept envelopes with this one because they're triple slim. So we made this one, which we threw some gold watercolor paint on. I don't know if you can see that, but that came out really pretty. And then we have this one. And so these would, I think, make really great masculine cards. You know, they're not real girly. This one says thankful for you. And then this one right here, we did some gold embossing of the sentiment. And then we did some gold. I did these are Peak Fresh Studio. I had it like sitting on my desk. But yeah, we did those, and I really like that class. We did a Lawn Fawn class, which this kit is one that I definitely would have gotten. So they were very generous with their kits, because they gave us this stamp set, which includes a sunflower and a sentiment. And then we got this cute stamp set, which it's called Sunny Squirrels. And then we got the die that goes with that. So that was a very, I think, generous kit. And I made with Jen Shirkus. She was our teacher. And they were very simple to make. It was just a lot of coloring and cutting, but I love them. So that totally was me, and I was excited about that class. And then, let's see, Mama Elephant. So that was taught by Christina Werner. Now, I am not a huge lover of better at it, I guess. With it. So there you go. That's probably the word. But we got this really cute stamp set. I don't know if it's been released yet or not, but it's Feel Better. We got the dies that go with it, as well as this larger sentiment die in our kit, which I think is very generous. And so we made 3 cards. So this one right here, which I feel like it's missing something, so maybe I'll do something else on here to jazz it up. Then we made this one right here. So I might make some of these cards again, but use my Copics, I think. But really cute. And so I think they came out really cute. And so I can't complain about, you know, getting out of my comfort zone. So that was fun, and that's a keeper. And then the first class we did was this one. So I'm on the fence about whether to keep this or not, because it's really beautiful. And the things that she showed us to do, that Gina K showed us to do with it, is just gorgeous. So I might keep it, and if I don't use it, I might go in a destash at some point. But we got quite a bit of stuff with this kit. So we got this very giant stamp set. It's huge. We got this sentiment, which is Holidays, I think is what we got. It's Holidays plus the backing for it. And then we also got this mandala, whatever it is, stencil, which is just ended up being beautiful. And we also got you know, these that we could cut out and use. This is happy, and there's no place like home for the, I think we do holidays, and then wishing you a happy holidays, and then happy holidays, because we got the holidays die. So that was Saturday, and also on Saturday, Jennifer Mcguire came on to show us some things that she did with the box, which I'm going to totally rewatch that video because I'd like to do that. Here is this card right here using that stencil. See what I mean? It's like so beautiful. It's like so like kind of not my style, but I love it. It just really. And then here is like sort of a cleaner, simpler card. I would just, you know, when you're doing a class, it's not always your best work, I think, in a lot of ways, because you're just trying to keep up and learn. But I still really like how these came out. So here's this one right here. So these are the 3 cards that we made for with Gina K. This was the first class that we did of the day. And so it's amazing. So anyway, thank you. And I'll be back with the 3rd day.